Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sonu Kumar, and my group member name are Abhishek Kumar, Ranveer, and Komal Kaur. Today we are going to represent our project presentation. Our project name is Smart Transmission Line Fault Detection and Monitoring System using NodeMCu. This is our abstract of the presentation. Next. This is our outline of the presentation. Stop. This is our introduction. First I tell you transmission line. Transmission line is a medium for transfer electric power from power plant to distribution system. It's play a very important role in power system. There are overhead transmission and underground cable transmission. In this project, we focus only overhead transmission line. Next. Stop. What faces? So make this project. In overhead transmission line, due to its open, can face various problems. But major problems are line breaks, fault occurs because of the weather such as strong wind. Some faults are random, can occur at any time. The long existence of fault in the system can cause serious damage to the system. It is hard to determine the area of fault, distance of fault, and which approx 80% faults are line to ground faults. Yes, but we are discussing in this project only the main four types of faults. Existing system. What system is existing in today's scenario? In earlier period, the system was established which estimate the value of impedance from the data of current and voltage in order to determine the location of this method, which is a sign of unreliability. Proposed system. What the system will make? Aim of this project is to make a system which monitor the transmission line, detect the fault, tells which type of fault, and also provide location and distance of fault in the display as well as in smartphone. Next. Component. What components are required in this project to make this project? First, transformer, single channel 5-volt relay module, current sensor of 5 ampere, NodeMCu, ESP8266, Wi-Fi module, GPS module, LCD display with I2C circuit, 5-volt DC power supply, resistor, LED indicator, 5-volt buzzer, transistor, capacitor, push button, diode and jumper wire. Next. The main component of this project is NodeMCu. NodeMCu is an open source firmware and development environment that's built on the ESP8266 system on a chip SoC. The name of NodeMCu is a combination of Node and MCU. MCU stands for microcontroller units. It is a program in its own language, LUA script. It is similar to JavaScript and it can also be programmed in C and Python language. It contains a CPU, RAM, Wi-Fi, module, operating system and SDK. It's microcomputer that can be treated as a development.
Wonderful presentation. First of all, good morning, good afternoon, respected teachers. These are the final circuits of our project, which is based on transmission line. Then 16 registers used in the circuits, 10 ohm per 2 kilometer, 4 pair used, and this is step down transformer, center tape. 12012, which is used only 12 and 12 combination of 24 volt, and then rectify 24 volt and use capacitor to constant, and the whole connection established in the transmission line, and then the component all components 5 volt operates. Also NodeMCu also operates on 5 volt, and GPS module also operates on 5 volts. And this is mobile app. In this project we use IoT app to monitoring any fault detection to outside the substation, to detect any fault in through internet, to watch our circuit what fault occurred, then inform to our representatives what fault occurred, and then the system reset, then also fault with solved. Next. First of all components combined, then project look like, and then the next slide, next picture, our whole project looks like. Then we are working. First connect to AC power to 20 volts to the system component AC power to DC with the help of big rectifier, and to change circuit to the given supply. When there is no fault in the transmission line, if external LCD display shows there is no fault, our system is designed related. स्टार्ट पहले हम लोग सप्लाई देंगे तो स्टार्ट करेंगे तो करंट इन लाइन 1 में जाएगा, फिर करंट इन लाइन 2 में जाएगा, फिर करंट इन लाइन 3 में जाएगा, देन फॉल्ट डिटेक्ट करेगा, उसके बाद शोज fault in LCD, then also show the GPS to coordinates to what location, and then also the Wi-Fi module connected and receive the IoT app to receive the Android app, and then the whole process repeatedly. Our next slide connect
line in real time. It helps to detect fault and give the information about fault location. It sends fault likely, which helps to protect transmission system from the damage. Our project minimize the losses of power and equipment in transmission lines, so our government's limitation. For detect, we need more sensor module for every tower. This is idea of our project. According to our idea, we make prototype model. We not change in real transmission line. Application. Clearly fault detection. The system can quickly identify fault in the transmission line, such as short circuit, open circuit, or ground fault. Location identification. Advanced system can pinpoint the exact location of fault, reducing downtime, speeding up the repair process, enhance safety. Quick fault detection and isolation minimize risk of fire, explosion, or other hazards associated with electrical fault. Reduce exposure. Automatic fault detection and initial response reduce the need for immediate human intervention, enhancing safety for maintenance. Improve reliability and quality of power supply. Reduce force response and repair times lead to shorter and less frequent power outage. Next presentation explained by Commerce.
Result. Result is a project of smart transmission line and fault detection of monitoring system of overhead transmission line. This provides the using of ventilation during the normal condition, LCD and display, no fault in this system. Whenever any type of the fault occurs at any location, firstly LCD for LCD display fault type with alarm of alert. Then after the delay of few seconds type of alarm of alert is display which line fault occurring by providing distance of fault from the starting of transmission line. Conclusion: the approach using a project of water development of fault detection system, use of various of hardware equipment including GPS, NodeMCu, current sensor module, LCD display. The system can determine the fault location accurately by using the GPS module. Faults which can be identified by the system are single line fault, single line to ground fault, double line fault, double line to ground fault. Constitutionally, when the fault occurs in the transmission line, GPS will detect the location of the fault. Then the message will be sent and controlled by NodeMCu for immediately response and other information of also displaying the LED screen. Cost of making project approx 5,000. Future scope. In future, it is recommended to utilize the advanced artificial intelligence, machine learning or deep learning and monitoring of power system and detect the fault location of the transmission line accurately. This is our reference